Hello and welcome everyone to the webinar Explore ERP CRM Success Secrets for Informed Decision Making. Thank you for joining me on this call today. I appreciate you taking the time to be here in this webinar. I hope my voice is audible and clear. Could
Could
anyone
anyone
please?
please?
Once again, welcome everyone to the webinar. Thank you for joining on time. I appreciate all your time, and I know it's in India it is tea time, and I value your time. Be confident that you will be having a very valued time for exploring the ERM, pure ERM success secrets for your business. For in order to make the informed decision making, you will be grabbing a very much in valued data for your business. So to make sure we are helping you as best as we can on this topic, we have a Q&A section to collect your questions. So we also have our certified techno-functional consultant with Reshma Joy, who will be answering those questions at the end of my section. Okay, so I'm diving into the section. The topic, I know why you are here because you have to know about the ERP or CRM. So I am, my name is Vaisal Sandra Simon from Jobin Jismi, working as a techno-functional consultant, and here to introduce the ERP, how you can actively introduce the ERP or how to actively look for an ERP. What are the key success secrets that you have to know when you're looking for an ERP? So let's dive into this section now. So in the beginning, I would like to introduce ourselves. Jobin Jismi is a solution provider, Oracle NetSuite solution provider, and we are expertise in NetSuite, all the implementation, all NetSuite implementation, consulting, optimization, or from the earlier stage of your business, and we will make you help you in the digital transformation into the ERP. So whether you are a small business or larger enterprise, we will make you help you for the digital transformation and also the ERP implementation by consulting your business process and the workflows and the data flows from each department and all. And also we have our employees working in the e-commerce and also Shopify, and we are also partnered with Celigo and all. And also we have done enough 30 plus implementation across 300 plus countries. So today's agenda will be this. So what is the key success secret, that is data management, and what are the key takeaways of the data management? And I will introduce the NetSuite, a platform for this data management function. And also we'll take you through, walk through to the NetSuite, the live home page and dashboards or all section of the NetSuite. And we will end with the benefits and best practices that we can have. So my first question is, what is data management? I would like to simplify it as it is basically a set of activities for gathering, organizing, and securing your business data. So you know how much important is a data for a business. So when it is for a business, the companies have to better analyze the information and also increase the operational efficiency and enhance the security, and you have to comply with the regulations and all. So today, for most of the important companies, what is important is the data, and also it will make you through a key to make a key decision. And by trusting, you can actually trust the decision because you have data on your hands. So the data management have a very key role in your business. And nowadays, a very important thing a business need is they will be having a disparate systems like data sources, like even the software like SaaS applications, application programming interfaces, mobile apps, and also like like IoT devices and all. So what the business need and what we have to do is we have to combine the data from all those sources to create a single consistent set of information. So every employees from your department and organization will be coming into groups, as well as the IT also with together we can work together and also can understand the company's data, how it is used, and what the business needs from its data and all. And also how this data management functions is you have to first of all understand and document these data for flaws between systems. Data cleansing is needed, and also you have to collect the data from the data warehouses if you have any, and also the main important point is you have to secure the data at the same time. So what is important is the gathering and the organizing and securing and storing this data and coming into a single source of trusted information is very important at this time. And because also there are number of challenges that are faced by companies today, like the growing volume of the employees, and also if the company is growing, the as the employees will be adding up to those departments, and new departments will be formed, so you will be having more number of employees, and the data will be shattered. So in those times you have to analyze this information for better decisions. You have to collect all the data from the employees into a single system, thereby improve your data quality and share information among yours and all. So I just have to say that what is data management, what is the importance, and why it is important to you. So today, the data management offer is a single source of truth. Means you need all the growing volume of data from disparate applications as from both the internal and the external sources. And also you have to analyze and or you improve, you share your data among the employees, as well as you have to daily update with your customers too. And also the data management functions like data given, you have to include the data governance, cataloging of the data, cleansing and moving data between the systems, and the managing of the data warehouses. So these many things have to be combined into a single system. So what we here introduce is the NetSuite, which is a very effective tool for the data management platform. And you I don't know you have know or today 30,000 customers, the businesses actually use the NetSuite and grow their company step by step into another level. uh, because because NetSuite offers a number of modules and the financial management and very easy. It actually provide a single database where that ensure data is always replicated and backed up and available from any location whenever you need it. So what the NetSuite data management is ensures that your users have real-time visibility into the company's financials, customer data, and the inventory, allowing you all to make informed decisions quickly and easily. I would like to repeat once again, you can make the decisions quickly and very easily. So we also have a synchronization of data centers, everything, every whatever the any disaster or recover capabilities all we have. So you don't have to be I mean tensed when we say it is a cloud system at all. So I would like to make you through my dashboard view. So this is my NetSuite. I just need my browser. As I said, it's a cloud-based system, and I can just log in through the browser. I don't have to depend on any hardware or any software or applications. I just need any of the browsers, and I can actually log into the system with my credentials, emails, and password with a high security and all. I can just log in into the NetSuite. So just now I have logged into the NetSuite with the CFO role. I could like to make you aware of that. The NetSuite, the ERP product of the Oracle, is a role-based system. We have many standard roles available, and also we can also make use of custom roles according to your business. Actually, all the businesses are unique, and all the permission levels of each employees will be different from one to another. So you can actually set those permissions, and one employee will not be having these many list of roles. So right now I haven't logged in as a CFO role, and I like to introduce the dashboard. It's a simple dashboard view of the NetSuite. From here itself, as a CFO perspective, I can see the important key performance indicators, also the tiles like balance sheet, income statement report, just at my fingertips. And also you can see one reminder spotlight in which I have to be act very promptly, because there are invoices that are overdue and the system itself have prompty in the red color. And also if anything other reminders it's you need, what are the activities that you're going to do on the daily basis, those activities can be taken into the system, and also make the system remind you without delaying its process, and by giving the effective the customer services and all. So this is how the reminder spotlight and all. Then I would like to show you the KPIs. Just because you have the data in the system, you have all the pre-built. It is already built in the NetSuite. Whenever you purchase, if you purchase and all, you will get these reports, these standard reports and dashboards readily available. You just have to make use of in all the portals and dashboard. Here we have KPIs that helps my uh, daily role in this my business, or you can actually set all dates and all, and also a very good the portal like the effective portal is subsidiary navigator. It is what what we mean by subsidiary here is a legal entity. If I have a parent company and I have many child in this under those parent company, I can actually make it available in the same system, and have the datas in the same NetSuite itself. If I click on if this I have clicked on the parent company, all the data from all the portlets will be changing to according to that subsidiary. And if I would like to know about only one legal entity, here I can see Mumbai, one company in my Mumbai I have. So all the data here you can see it is changing according to the data of the legal entity that is existed in Mumbai. All the KPIs, all the income statement, balance sheet will be changing to itself, though only to the company in Mumbai. So like this way, it is very helpful. By just clickable and drillable, you can actually have your data at your fingertips. And from here itself, you can actually go to income statement. Just a click away, you can actually go to income statement and budget and all. You will not be believing that we have a very much standard reports that is already pre-built. You can see these are the sections that we have. If you expand the roles on each sections, we have a multiple number of uh, reports that are available in each sections, like financials, sales, in banking, in the purchase department, etc. So these many reports are readily available, and also these are readily customizable according to your business, your item that you're selling and all. I would just like to navigate to the budget and versus actual report just here. So you can see this is a sample report in which I can actually filter according to my uh, need. You can see these many filters are if I have to filter it by period and also for the subsidiary level, and also any customer wise, so location class. So if by any items or any things you can actually filter here, and also it will be readily available, and you can also schedule this report every day at 6 o'clock and all. And also here you can see when I click the graph on here, I can immediately the graph of this report has been generated. So I will also show one sales by item. If you are an inventory or retail, any type of industry that you're selling the physical products, you can know with the report of the sales by which item, and you can just clicking on graph and you can evaluate which item is sold too much in this period of time and why it is. You can actually check why it is increasing, and you can actually check on the details and work according to that information. So this is how a little bit about the dashboard, and also we have the system audit trail in which all the employees are the data of whichever the employees is recording each items in the transactions are recorded. So we can know who have done all the things in each transactions, on which is very helpful, in which the backtracking is possible for every items or every transactions in the NetSuite. So I would like to go back to my slide. Okay. So next I'm going to explain you what are the key benefits of data management. Uh, it is first I could see it is always the one system with no limits. If you have one system and every employees are putting their data into one system, you can actually reduce the data redundancy. The store business data and the data duplication can be avoided. And all the product information, if you have a post like point of sales, and you, for example, if you have to store the product information like in post manufacturing and inventory systems, you can actually bring all the data to one single net source of truth, so that you can know how to act and how effectively you have to act on each customers and all. And also the one of the benefit it is improve the data sharing. So in India it is we know we always the family owned businesses, if so you have to share the data uh, to the next generation. You every data in the system is already available, already backed up, so you don't have to worry about any of the data that is lost, and you can easily hand over those data to a younger generations and all. And also the data sharing also indicate the data sharing among the employees. For the if one customer have raised the sales order, and so at the one time you have to inform the warehouse, and at the same time you have to inform the financial department in order to raise the invoice. Both the department can act at the same time. So like this data sharing is also possible through NetSuite. And also the data privacy, you can decide which data have to be shared with, not taking the risk of or failing to secure your data. So you should not risk your data to any of others or any employees, or you can decide where you have to put uh, the level, whether view permission, the edit level of permission, create level of permission. You can actually set those permissions in the system. If you have this such system, you can actually act very effectively. And also you have, if you have backups and recovery, even if have any natural calamities. The NetSuite have already the data tenders available at multiple locations. So we have done the data mirroring, and thus the all improve backups and the recovery can be done very easily without any fail. And also the real-time data consistency, which is the most of the our customers that is demanding. We need uh, when we log in the system, we have to know what is the data sources, who has done it, what is the status of each item, what is the level of our financials and all. So this is possible through a single system and how you manage the data management. So these are the key benefits of the data management. And today, the modern data management system, these help to capture the data streams and share informations in real time. And what is the best practices I would like to share is you should actually define your goals and make a plan. You have to sit with your the employees from each department, and the employee should really convey which all point the data have to be shared and or what have to be going to the other departments and all. So you have to really understand the data that their department uses and what it needs, and build a function, data management function within the business so that everything is automated and you will not be lacking any of the customers or delaying any of the service to the customers even if a employee has gone for leave. So and also you can actually maintain the data quality. You have to first step is to as I said, you identify, gather input from people throughout the business who really understand the data. And next step is maintain the data quality, because data is constantly changing from the day by day. Sometimes the customers and the vendor addresses, for example, are classically changing. So you have to update the same, as well as you have to uh, make the quality and make the change consistently, but without affecting the other activities. You have to ensure that the data remains accurate. So maintaining the data quality is very important. And also the secure your data. So uh, you have to know about the latest threats that is coming, how typically if anyone try to steal or corrupt or delete or encrypt data in order to force say the company to paying a much more. So you have to secure your data always, and data management plays a key role in protecting the organization's vital information. So it gives you a better understanding of your data, so you can selectively apply stronger levels of control and isolation to to your more sensitive information, but and with the security. And also create a data management function which it is not complex, or it's no it all the single person cannot understand all the company's data at the level needed to manage it. So that's why it is important to build a data management team that includes people who have a good understanding of the data, as well as the organizational knowledge to who is responsible for the data within the each department, and make a effective tool with your hands so that you know who want to input each and every data at each stage. Yeah, that's all for me to convey. So I will move my audio. I will give the section to Reshma. So if you have, feel free to collect the questions in the Q&A and we can actually answer you.
Hi everyone. Feel free to share any questions or inquiries related to the information we covered in the webinar or any related topics. We are here to address your queries and also provide you further clarification. You can pause the Q&A in our Q&A session. Any questions? Yeah, we have one question. That is, how would I look at something by brands? So I'll publish this question. Just a second. Yeah, Jidin has this. Actually, NetSuite allows you to create an unlimited number of reports dimensions. That means out of the box, NetSuite offers several dimensions that may be used for reporting by brand. If your brand is equivalent to any product line, you can also simplify the rename our out of the box product line dimensions to brand. Something like if you have the brand, some brand called related to the clothing or something, let's say defaultly there is a name for the branding that's called items. Also, we can configure as per your requirement in the system. Yeah. Thank you, Jitin. Yeah, one more question from Charlie. That is NetSuite accessible from mobile device? Yes, it's accessible from mobile device too. Actually, we have the vision, we have the visibility of the different reports. We can use the NetSuite in the mobile, same as other devices like the computers, tab or something like that. Yeah. To do that, NetSuite also provides the mobile application for the both iOS and Android devices. So you can install the mobile app from Play Store. Any other questions? Actually, I have seen that someone raised their hand. So could you please pause your question in our Q&A session? Yeah, it's Charlie. They have already asked the questions. Thank you, Charlie.
Feel
Feel
free
free
to
to
post the
post the
question.
question.
So we are here, and also I would like to share our communications details.
Any questions apart from ERP or the CRM? You can post in our Q&A session. Please don't hesitate to post the Q&A. Those who want to view our demonstration of NetSuite or related queries, you can also connect with us. The communication details are published in the screen right now. You can just know. Okay, we have other question from Esther. That is, what are the key modules or application offered by NetSuite? Actually, NetSuite offers various modules that includes financial management, customer relationship management, that means CRM, and also the inventory and order management and HCM and more. And for the other industry, something like the construction and any service or any industry, NetSuite is very capable for doing all these things. The core module is the financial, and other than that, most probably every module NetSuite covers. Yeah. Thank you, Esther. Yeah, we have other question from Tessa. Can NetSuite be customized to suit specific business needs? Yeah, definitely. That is NetSuite is highly customizable and it offers you to navigate customization tools that allows your business to tailor the software to their specific requirements. Like we can also configure the workflows as per the industry needs. Yeah. Thank you. We have other question from Mersley. That is, can we see the currencies total without subsidiaries? Just a single company in one country. Yeah, I think she just deleted that comment. Just a second. Yeah, yeah. Actually, we can have different editions of NetSuite. That means we have to configure the subsidiary as per our country. Different currencies also NetSuite supports. It's only based on the editions. Like we have different editions. One is One World, and that supports different currencies and also different subsidiaries in different countries. So we can opt the One World if your company is in different subsidiaries and company have different subsidiaries in different countries. Yeah, definitely NetSuite supports different currencies. And one more question we have, that is, how is data security handled in NetSuite? Actually, NetSuite employs robust security measures to protect the customer data. It uses data encryption and also multi-factor authentication and the industry standard security protocols to ensure data confidentiality and the integrity. So NetSuite handles the data security. And I have one more insights relating to the currencies total that question raised from Mercy. That is, we can also have the view of the different totals in all the transaction based on the currency itself. So we can use NetSuite for that. Mostly one more suggestion that is if you have more queries or you need any demonstration for the NetSuite ERP, definitely contact us. So we are happy to have a demonstration with NetSuite. Any further questions? So I hope we are good to wind up the session. So I'm handing this to Sandra. Sandra, thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.
So once again, thank you for your time. Feel free to contact us if you need to know more about ERP or the CRM part of the NetSuite. We are here to give you the detailed demo in each section, like financial management and CRM, and or any of the professional services of manufacturing industry, whether whichever the industry you belongs to. Feel free to contact us. These the details that we have demonstrated in the presentation. So thank you. Thank you so much for the day. Have a great evening.